Good morning, ninth class. Today it's our lecture number 17, unit number 7, Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Today, last day you have attempted the reading and difficult words for spellings. And I have also given you the task of the abbreviations, that is part D of the vocabulary part. Right? Today we are going to solve the glossary words and their meanings and synonyms. Then vocabulary part A, B and C. Is that clear? This is our today's task. But first of all, I'll send you the answers of this part D. Match your answers with the correct ones. And if you have made any kind of mistakes, correct the mistakes and note down this part on notebook today. Is that clear? Now you are, after correcting your mistakes, you are going to note down this part D on your notebook. Is that clear? So solve part D on your notebook, right? Along with our today's task, that is part A, consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. You will find out the synonyms of the following words, right? And next B part will be solved on the book, and solve part C. Use the following words in sentences. Is that clear? But before sentence making, you will also find out the meanings, or you can say the synonyms of these words, and then you will use these words in sentences. Hope this is clear, right? पार्ट डी जो कि एब्रीविएशंस का पार्ट था, कल आपको दिया गया था एज अ होमवर्क. आज इसके आंसर्स मैं आपको सेंड करूँगी, आप इसको मैच करेंगे, राइट? अपनी मिस्टेक्स करेक्ट करने के बाद इसको नीट नोटबुक पर आप नोट करेंगे. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 जो आज का हमारा टास्क होगा, वो पहला काम है ग्लॉसरी. ग्लॉसरी, हियर आर द वर्ड्स गिवन इन द ग्लॉसरी: इम्प्रेसिव, हॉस्पिस, एम्बेलिश, फ्लैम्बॉयंट, इंटीरियर, कार्व्ड, एडॉर्न्ड, अपॉइंटेड. इज दैट क्लियर? अब इसमें आपके पास रिमार्केबल, इन, डेकोरेट, कलरफुल और ब्राइट, इनसाइड, इम्प्रिंटेड, डेकोरेटेड और सेलेक्टेड, ये वर्ड्स आपको दिए गए हैं. दीज आर द मीनिंग्स ऑल्सो एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑल्सो. वन वर्ड आंसर है इसमें, तो दीज कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स ऑल्सो. तो आप सिर्फ ग्लॉसरी के इन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स या इनके जो सिनोनिम्स हैं, इसको आप नीट नोटबुक पर नोट करेंगे. इसको अलग से सिनोनिम्स फाइंड आउट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? योर सेकेंड थिंग इज़ vocabulary part A. As I have told you that you are going to consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of these words. And then part C, use the following words in sentences, find synonyms. राइट? इसका अगला जो आपके पास क्वेश्चन होगा या इसमें जो एडिशन आप करेंगे वो होगा फाइंड सिनोनिम्स. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द नोट्स ऑफ दीज, बट you are going to practice the sentence making yourself. आप इन 4-5 वर्ड्स की जो सेंटेंस मेकिंग है उसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद करेंगे. होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू, राइट? In the vocabulary part A, we have the words: consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words: embellish, decorate, adorn. Integrate means merge or join. Splendor, that is majesty, that is grandeur. Magnificence, majesty, same. Glory, magnificence, dignity, grandeur. So many words are there. Illuminate, brighten up or light up. Clear? Now circle the correct antonyms. Now you have not the synonyms but antonyms here in part B, means opposite words of these from the given choices of the underlined words. Sultan Ahmed Masjid is one of the most impressive monuments in the world. Now impressive means remarkable, right? As I have given you the synonyms here: splendid, majestic, magnificent, that is called impressive. Now opposite of impressive is ugly or unimpressive or remarkable. Clearly you have used a prefix here. Unimpressive is the opposite of impressive. Situated in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey, so the largest has been highlighted. Opposite to largest is smallest. Understood? A heavy iron chain is hung at the upper part of the court entrance on the western side. Heavy chain. Heavy, big is the synonym. Bold is, you may say, the synonym of it. Light is the opposite of heavy. So light is the opposite of heavy. The upper level of the interior is adorned with blue paint. Upper, opposite of upper is lower. Opposite of upper is lower, and you can find the same in the same paragraph. Even in the next paragraph of this, you can find the antonym of the word even, right, from the text. The floors are covered with carpets. Covered, exposed. This question is really very, very important, right? Because in your exam, the word covered, antonym of the word is not asked, but synonym of the word is asked in the papers. In last year's board exams, board paper of English class 9th, this question has been asked, right? But not as the antonym of the word, but as the synonym of the word. They have given the synonym of the word. Is that clear? तो इस तरह से भी पेपर में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि जो बुक में आपको एज एंटोनिम दिए गए हैं, हो सकता है पेपर में उनका सिनोनिम पूछ लिया जाए, तो दोनों तरह से आपने इनको तैयार करना है. द फ्लोर्स आर कवर्ड विद कारपेट्स. कवर्ड का मतलब ढांप देना, राइट, ढक देना. बट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द एंटोनिम ऑफ इट, दैट इज एक्सपोज्ड. एक्सपोज का मतलब है वाजे कर देना, खोल देना, सामने ले आना. अंडरस्टूड? Next is part C. Use the following words in sentences. Impressive. I have given you or provided you the synonyms of these words, but you are going to make the sentences of these words your own self. Sentence making is your homework task. So you are going to make sentences. Is that clear? Impressive, splendid, majestic or magnificent, dexterously, skillfully, handily or cleverly. Spacious is vast, broad, expansive, big. Expensive, not costly, वो वाला word नहीं है, expand से है expensive, right? Humility, modesty or obedience or humbleness. Flamboyant is glamorous or colorful or dazzling. Hope the meanings are clear to you. Is that clear? You are going to note down these on your notebooks and going to use the words in sentences. Sentence making is your homework. Understood? Now your homework task is learn and write the glossary words with their meanings and synonyms given in the book. आप book से लिखेंगे. Vocabulary part A, उसके meanings मैंने आपको provide कर दिए हैं. I'll send you the notes. उसको आप वहाँ से नोट करेंगे. एंड पार्ट सी ऑन योर नोटबुक्स प्लस मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ द वर्ड्स गिवन इन पार्ट सी. तो पार्ट सी में ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, मीनिंग्स मैंने सिनोनिम्स और मीनिंग्स प्रोवाइड कर दिए हैं आपको. सेंटेंस मेकिंग आप इसकी खुद करेंगे.